Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video you will learn a new poem, Mystery of the Talking Fan. This poem is written by Maud Robin. In this poem, the poet talks about a fan. The poet called it talking fan. So you are thinking, why is poet saying it talking fan? What does the poet refer to? Was the fan really talking or something else? What is the mystery behind calling it talking fan? So have you ever heard a fan talking? No, fan never talks, but still the poet named this poem a talking fan. So we will learn in this poem that what he is actually trying to relate with the talking fan and what is the mystery behind it. So let's start the poem. Now look into your book. Have you ever seen a cat selling a tree? Sorry, that was other poem's line. Now look into your book. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. So before starting the poem, the poet asks a question, that is there any ceiling fan where you are living and sitting? Does the fan runs smoothly and quietly or makes noise? If that fan makes noise, you may be sure that this is the fan which poet says talking fan. And in this poem, we will learn about such kind of fan which makes noise. So let's read the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So in this stanza, the poet is trying to explain first of all, he used to think that the fan wants to talk to him. Then why was he thinking so? It's because the fan was making so much sound and noise, and the noise of the fan was like electrical chatter. You must have noticed that whenever the fan needs oiling, what happens? The fan starts making some noise, and that noise the poet was referring as the electrical chatter. So after that, the poet says that he couldn't understand what the fan is actually trying to say, but it doesn't matter that he couldn't understand, because one day somebody oiled the fan, and after oiling the fan, the noise was no longer there, and the fan will run so quietly like still water. So now the mystery behind the fan was solved, and the mystery was what the fan was trying to say. The poet always used to say that what the fan wants to talk, but the mystery was solved when somebody oiled the fan. This is all about the poem. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.